Hi, and welcome everyone to Know Your Law. This is a small initiative to let everyone aware of various important and essential laws of our country. Each week, we will try to bring to you an essential provision of one of the many acts in our country. Hope it will help you, if not today, but sometimes in your life. So today we will discuss about the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 and look into the provisions of Chapter 1 of the Act. The Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 is the Act number 32 of 2012, and it came into effect on 19th June 2012 in the 63rd year of the Republic of India. So why this act? This act is to protect children from offences of sexual assault, sexual harassment and pornography, and provide for establishment of special courts for trial of such offences and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Sexual exploitation and sexual abuse of children are heinous crimes and need to be effectively addressed. So, Chapter 1. Chapter 1 is the preliminary part and contains only two sections: short title, extent and commencement, and the definitions. So Section 1, short title, extent and commencement. Section 1 states that this Act may be called the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012. It extends to the whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and it shall come into force on such date as the central government may, by notification in the official gazette, appoint. So we already know that it came into force on 19th June 2012. Next comes the definitions part. There are lots of definitions under this section. We will start with a few today and carry on with the remaining in the next session. So first comes aggravated penetrative sexual assault. Section 2A of the Act states aggravated penetrative sexual assault has the same meaning as assigned to it in Section 5. So, we will discuss the provisions of that section in detail. But before doing so, we must know what penetrative sexual assault is. Section 3 of the Act describes penetrative sexual assault. It states, a person is said to commit penetrative sexual assault if A. He penetrates his penis to any extent into the vagina, mouth, urethra or anus of a child, or makes the child to do so with him or any other person. B. If he inserts to any extent any object or a part of the body, not being the penis, into the vagina, the urethra or anus of the child, or makes the child to do so with him or any other person. C. If he manipulates any part of the body of the child so as to cause penetration into the vagina, urethra, anus, or any part of body of the child, or makes the child to do so with him or any other person. And D, if he applies his mouth to the penis, vagina, anus, urethra of the child, or makes the child to do so to such person or any other person. So, this is what penetrative sexual assault is all about. So now, what constitutes aggravated penetrative sexual assault, and by whom? We will discuss that in our next session in detail. So that is it for today. We will meet again next week, continuing from where we left. Hope you got to know and learn something new and interesting. Till then, stay safe and remain aware of your rights and laws. Thank you.